Hello, I'm Silver the Hedgehog. Introduction to home planet Earth. Here, we live in our planet Earth. That's the only astronomical object known to harbor life. This represents the astronomical symbol of Earth. The Earth was born millions of years ago. Earth's gravity interacts with other objects in space, especially the Sun and the Moon, which is Earth's only natural satellite. I hope you've learned about gravitation from miles tails per hour. Earth's gravity is 9.8 meters per second squared. You can notice that Earth orbits around the Sun in 365 days. But in case, there is one extra day called a leap year. After every 4 years, that is the 29th day of February. You may like to mean 365.25 days, by adding 1/4 day. 1/4 day will have 6 hours. The Earth's axis of rotation is tilted with respect to its orbital plane, producing seasons on Earth. The gravitational interaction between Earth and the Moon causes tides, stabilizes Earth's orientation on its axis, and gradually slows its rotation. Hence, Earth is the densest planet in the solar system and the largest and most massive of the 4 rocky planets. In the next part, we'll tell you Earth is made up of land and water. Like, comment, and subscribe now.